Hi, Wendy here from Ideal Weight Challenge, and today I'm going to do some tapping with you. I'm an EFT master practitioner, and the technique that I'm going to show you today, and I hope that you'll tap along with, is called EFT, Emotional Freedom Techniques. A lot of people just call it tapping because we tap on different areas. So EFT, in my opinion, is one of the quickest ways to release any sort of like negativity, and also to help you feel more positive, okay? Because what we're doing is we're tapping on meridian points. So the easy way for me to explain this is we're tapping the energy in your body. So when the energy gets blocked in your body, it causes negativity for you in one way or another. That might be, in the form of a belief that is holding you back, that is stopping you feelings, even pains in your body sometimes. So we're going to tap on the different points, and what we're going to tap on today is a question that came up, and the question was from someone who is taking my 30-day weight loss challenge, and it was, what do I do if I don't really believe this is going to work? Okay, so they were saying to me, I think that the 30-day challenge, weight loss challenge, is really, really positive. I focus on creating a positive mindset rather than a diet or an exercise plan. So for 30 days, we do different things to create a positive mindset about your body, food, activity, all that sort of thing. And the lady was sort of saying to me, I think it's absolutely brilliant what you've done, but still in the back of my mind, in the back of the lady's mind, she was thinking, this is all great, but I don't really believe it will work. She didn't really believe that anything would work. Any diet that she'd done in the past, or, anything that she'd done in the past, she just had this belief that it wouldn't work, and she was always going to be overweight. Okay, so I thought, well, this is a really good thing to tap on. So if this is something that, you have going on in the back of your head, and if I'm honest, it's probably something that is still going on in the back of my mind. So this is a really good thing for me to be tapping on as well. So if you haven't done EFT with me before, just follow along with me, really. So we're going to start in the heart healing position, and nice deep breath in. I'm tapping today to release this feeling that, this doubt that nothing's going to work for me when it comes to losing weight. Nice deep breath in and out again. Releasing this doubt that nothing will work and I will always be overweight. Another nice deep breath in and out. Clearing this doubt at all levels. This doubt that where I believe that nothing will work for me. So up to the top of the head, and we're going to start on the different points. This doubt. This doubt. Thinking that nothing's ever going to work. Always going to be fat. I know that's not a really nice word, but from experience, that's the word I have used for myself. I'm fat. I don't particularly say I'm overweight. When I'm sort of got that self-talk going on, I say I'm fat. So that's when you're doing any sort of tapping, it's always best to use the words that you would use, okay? So if you're saying things like, I hate myself, I hate my body, hate the way I look, tap on that. Okay. This feeling that whatever I do, it's just not going to work. I'm always going to be fat. I've been fat for so long now. And I've tried so many different things. But I just stay fat. I might lose a little bit of weight, but then I put it all back on again. And more. So why should this be any different? I may as well just give up. But maybe there's a chance it will work. Maybe I just need to change my way of thinking. I can do that. Focus on what I want. Focus on the positive changes that I am making. It's okay to make these changes. It's safe for me to make these changes. So I let go of all this doubt. Let go of this belief that nothing's going to work. And I'm just going to choose to be open to the idea that this might work, that I can make these positive changes. And all I need to do is take one day at a time, 1 hour at a time, or even 1 minute at a time. And just step forward and make more and more positive changes. Changes that will last. And if I slip up, that's fine. It's just one thing. Even if I have a whole day where I feel like I haven't done the things that I was supposed to do or wanted to do, it's just one day. Doesn't mean you failed. Sorry, it doesn't mean I failed. When you're tapping, always sort of say I when you're talking like this. So it doesn't mean I failed. It just means I'm learning. And as long as I keep learning, and as long as I'm open to the idea that I can change, that I can make healthy choices, that I can get more active and enjoy it, that I can lose this excess weight, that I can achieve my ideal weight, whatever that is for you, okay? I had a question, just keep tapping while I just explain this. I had a question the other day about ideal weight, and you know, your ideal weight is whatever you choose it to be, okay? And nobody else has to tell you that. And if you get to a point where you think, actually, I'm really comfortable at this weight, that's it. That's your ideal weight. You've hit it. It's great. So your ideal weight isn't, you know, what a diet book tells you or what a celebrity tells you. It's whatever you want it to be, okay? I'm choosing healthy, happy, and slim now. I love my body, and my body loves me. It's time for me to make these positive changes in my life now. And I'm tapping to make those changes easier. Okay, hands on the heart healing position again. With weight loss, I recommend that you tap regularly. Ideally, I would like you to be tapping every day. Try to make it a habit. And you don't always have to be tapping out negatives. You can just tap in the positives. You can just tap in, I want to feel slim, happy and healthy, things like that. Check out my other YouTube videos, and I'll be adding more and more EFT videos to help you with your weight loss. It's so effective. It might feel silly if you haven't done it before. It might feel like it's a bit weird, but it is a powerful technique, and it's one that you can use on your own. So I really recommend that you do give this a go and try and build it into your day-to-day life. Even, one quick round while you're in the bathroom in the morning, after you brush your teeth or something like that. Just do a round of tapping, and even that is going to really benefit you. Okay, I'd love to hear from you. Leave me a comment below, especially if you have any questions or anything like that, because I want to help you as much as I possibly can, because by helping you on your weight loss journey, it inspires me on my weight loss journey. So let's just do this together. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And also, if there's something that you're struggling with your weight loss, then let me know, and I will aim to make a video to help you with that as well. Take care. Bye.